So I thought about this for quite a while, guys. You can have a girl, everybody knows who, that blows up on social media by saying hawk Chooa, which was crazy. But it happened. So I figured if a girl can do it, why can't a good-looking guy like me do it? So hopefully this video will blow up on social media like hers did. So without further ado, here we go, guys. Hawk Choo. Sorry guys, sneezed. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the joke. Life's about fun. So till next time, well, that's a wrap. Remember, share, like, comment, hit the bell, all the crap, man. Make this thing blow up, and let's see if social media will do it for me. So till next time, peace.